Let's talk about a way how you can speed up your composting process. Enjoy the video! Well, hello. Today it's about 22 degrees. And I have two compost bins that I've been adding food scraps to. And a great tool that you can use to help speed up your compost is an ice chipper. And the reason I say that is because it has enough weight where you can just start eventually chopping up branches, your food scraps, and allowing more surface area for your compost to break down. Like I said, it's real easy. Once you're able to get enough heat involved, this tool will start to allow air in and break your food scraps down. Just make sure you turn it, water it, and go from there, and you'll have compost. So if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, share, and have a great day. Bye.